Honorable Yakamein. Yeah. Yo, this is King Earner coming to you guys live and direct. I'm back and we're cooking with honor. I need for everybody to pay attention. Philadelphia, across the world, Baltimore, all these different cities been speaking about the Yakamein. But King Earner want to give you the history of the Yakamein. If you don't know, it's not a Baltimore thing, it's not a Philly thing. Honestly, it's a New Orleans thing. But more than anything, it's a Black African thing. Because at the end of the day, there's a lot of soldiers that went over to Korea that was from New Orleans that came back with the understanding that you can take your time out and make your noodles different. They was over there, and guess what? A lot of the immigrants, they were doing them, they were cooking. Them black soldiers said, listen, I'm gonna stand over top of y'all and we're gonna give y'all some honor. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna give y'all some understanding in a different form. I'm gonna let y'all understand that I'm gonna cook these shrimp first. That's the first thing I will cook, so you can put the shrimp to the side. That's cool. The reason why I'm going to cook the shrimp first is because you can put shrimp to the side. The taste that it's going to have is going to run through the veins of the honorable yak meat. See, a lot of y'all don't know what yak meat is. Y'all are cooking Yakamein with regular beef. And that's not the case here. You have to cook it with yak meat. All you have to do is go to Google, ask AI, chat, whatever you want to do, and you'll get some understanding of what the honorable yak meat is. A lot of people not going to understand. You have to order it. It's not something you walk in Whole Foods. It's not something you walk in Aldi's. It's not something you walk in ShopRite. All our local markets, you can't get this meat from there. And you have to have the honorable boiled eggs on the sill side. You hear me? If you don't have that honorable boiled egg on the side, I don't have the understanding in you, because you're not cooking a Yakamein. And this is, we got to give it the Philadelphia version, the honorable version. Worldwide, for every brown individual that's running around here, because at the end of the day, the Chinese have done their thing, but you know, we teach a lot of different nationalities how to do their thing. And we add them honorable spices to it, you hear me? But these type of cooking objects, you have to make sure you have the heat, you have to coast it, like I was telling you, like riding a bike. Like you had that huffy when you was a youngin'. If you're in my age group, you had that huffy and you got to the corner, you wanted to ease that brake, because those brakes was too tight to make you do an endo and flip over. Take your time and ease it. The same thing with this honorable stove. Take your time. Take your time. Yak meat, not beef, yak meat. It's halal also. But a lot of individuals don't know what yak meat is. So they're selling you individuals beef. I ain't mad at it. You know, I have understanding of the ingredients that the black soldiers from New Orleans brought over here to America from Korea, because they gave them the game. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to give you the yak meat in an honorable sizzle form. If it ain't sizzling, we ain't winning. So I have the honorable yak meat, halal yak meat. I have it cooking, right? I have it sizzling. But I need for y'all to have understanding. I didn't season it with nothing but this honorable Morton kosher salt, right? And now I'm going to throw the pepper on there, because I already seasoned it with it, but we need that pepper in there. If you don't have the pepper, I don't understand the honor in the food. I mean, I'm just being truthful with y'all guys. This avocado oil is your friend, because it don't clog up arteries. When your arteries is getting clogged up, you have a situation. It's not of honor.
Showing that too.
That's the honorable soy sauce. Y'all see how that dropped. That's soy sauce, you hear me? Worcester, you hear me? Erna, why you put the noodles in there? Well, you dishonorable Prill 6, you're cooking it without the noodles and you're throwing a bunch of salt on there. I'm not moving like that. Don't forget the honorable peanut butter. It's not a yak, no mean, if it doesn't have the peanut butter. I can't really vouch for no other city. I just want my city to have understanding. I can't vouch for nobody else. God knows what this is. What is this, mustard? You gotta have the honorable mustard in the tuck.
Like bring it up this way. Yeah, like that.
Everybody's screaming yak, but it's not about the salt. It's not about anything being salty. It's not about your blood pressure getting high. It's about you add the honor to it. And that honorable oyster sauce, that honorable Worcester, that honorable green peppers and onions and things of this nature, it gives you an understanding. I want to taste it myself.
I ain't a cook, but all I know is this shit got all the honor. You hear me? This shit got all the honor.
I'm online, I see the $20 shit. It's like, yo,
Yeah.
I don't understand the $20 shit because my noodles cost more than $20.
Yeah. Okay.
What I need understanding too is, if you know how to eat, you know how to treat. And I'm gonna treat those of honor. If your honor intact, you can't eat with us. If your honor intact, guess what? You can eat with us. Rock uncut chest in a minute. Make sure y'all tap all the way in. He's giving the youngest the understanding of life learned lessons through a chessboard. How many people can do that? You know what we missing right here, though? We missing the Honorable Leak Moss. He's going to be in the next episode. Make sure y'all tap all the way in. Kieran, Live and Direct. Freedom Men. Live and Direct.